to this computer. Okay, so let me send you the link. Excuse me, let me copy the link. And then we are going to participate, okay? Open the link in the English Itzma chat. Open, please. Click on the link. And tell me if you are over there. Can you get into the link? ¿Pudimos ingresar? Yes or no? Can you?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now we are going to participate in this second. Everybody is going to be ready when I will say this is the game and you are going to participate now. Okay. Everybody is ready. Todos los que están. No more. Don't worry. Okay. Everybody is ready. Yes or no? Maybe Cristina, Dani, Diana, Maria Fernanda is yes. Yeah, okay, okay. I recognize your face. Thank you. And Andrea, are you ready? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So you can please click on that, and let's going to participate. Everybody, let me show you. This is click on nothing is lost. Okay. Look at. And here we go. We are going to check the participants. I'm so sorry for the advertisements. Okay, now, so let's get started, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Let me see who is going to participate. You can click on the begin, empezar, comenzar. And let's choose the correct answers, okay? You have to participate. You have your own points, sus propios puntos, okay? Please try to choose the correct answer in your digital or devices, and then you choose the correct answer. The number one is it's. Which one? Correct. I don't know which one. This is my game. Este es mi propio juego, so you are playing yours. Me van a llegar sus resultados, okay? So please try to choose the correct answer about this video that you were watching last class, okay? Did you understand? Yes, nope? Okay. I think that you are playing or nope.
Ya se salió y no quiere regresar a esa página.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me share again, okay? Les regreso de nuevo, ¿ya? Don't worry, don't worry.
En 5 minutos ya la casa, un poco de tráfico con la lluvia, pero llego y empiezo
Okay,
a...
don't worry, Maria Fernando. Maybe Dani, maybe Diana, do you have any problem? Could you play? Si podemos jugar, yes or nope?
Estoy ingresando, Elizabeth.
Okay, Dani, maybe?
Yo estoy conectado desde mi teléfono porque yo todavía no llego a mi casa.
Ah, okay, no problem. So let's going to play with me, okay? No problem. Tenemos algunos ciertos inconvenientes. Vamos entonces a regresar y vamos a elegir. Vamos a activar en este caso el micrófono, okay? Please, guys. So let's going to replay. Vamos a reintentar. Everybody can participate. You can activate your microphones. Pueden todo el mundo activar sus micrófonos, okay? So now, let's see. Let me show you again. Okay, there are many large, small, or tall restaurants. What is the answer? Tell me. Tall. Okay, vamos a ver si es tall. Uh-oh. It not was the answer. Very good. Let's try again. Now, in Kanda, remember Kanda was the city or neighborhood, sorry. People have to, don't want to change how they live. What is the correct answer? Anyone, you have to be fast, rápido. It's difficult, not easy, easy to make all things. What is the answer? Diana?
Disculpa, Elise.
Tell me, what is the answer? Choose one.
Déjeme ver.
Oh, we don't have more
Oh, ya
time.
se me
We just
olvidó.
have
Lo
20
siento.
seconds. In the part of the neighborhood near the university, people can buy books, electronics, or pets.
Oh,
Books, okay. Excellent one. Very good. Next. In the Camden neighborhood, life moves, fast, quickly, or slowly? Quickly, says Andrea.
Yes, quickly.
Oh, it's wrong, the answer. Okay, let's continue. The streets are or have wide. What do you think? Anyone? One answer?
Have.
Are, okay. Excellent, very good, okay. Now, who had the correct answers? Just Maria Fernanda and Danny Manzana. You have already one extra point, guys. Thanks for your participation. Let me put your extra point. So it is Maria Fernanda Landeta, one extra point, and Mr. Manzano. Where are you? Here you are. One extra point. Perfect. Good job. Now, let's going to continue. In the other part, guys, I prepared, as I told you, the last class, the class about the unit number 7. We are going to watch today the grammar, vocabulary, and also a little bit of reading, okay? So please pay attention. I am going to show you. If you have any question, please let me know. Teacher, could you repeat? I don't understand. Can you tell me again? Okay. Try to pronounce slowly. Okay. Something like that. Okay. Because I can understand and you can maybe practice in other way. Let me show you the screen with me. It is my presentation as in the other class. And it is open. It's over here. Yeah. Let me show you. And let's continue with the class, okay? Here we go. Yeah. Remember, this was the beginning about the other class and we didn't finish. Now let's continue with the next one. And let me present. Yep. So we prepared this. We already have done this. And this one is done, okay, according to this information. And now, here we go. Here we have the vocabulary, okay? This vocabulary is related to places, okay? What is place in Spanish? Do you know what is place in Spanish?
lugares.
Exactly,
Lugares.
very good. Yes, you are right. Excellent. Lugares, excellent. And now you are going to tell me what kind, or maybe if you don't know, or maybe if you know, what are examples of places in your house? Your house is a place, yes or no? Is your house a place?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, of course. Another place that you recognize. Tell me examples, guys. Tell me. You have the house. Another example.
Kitchen.
baños,
Very good, the kitchen. Tell me, Maria Fernanda.
the bathroom,
Okay, could be the bathroom. Very good. Outside your house, fuera de su casa. Tell me another one.
Garden.
Could be the garden. Excellent. Maybe Danny, Diana, Cristina. Another places.
Mm, La casa, ¿cómo se dice para eso?
No
the
more.
backyard,
Backyard. Very good. Another one, maybe. What about the supermarket? What about the hospitals? What about the park? Are they places? Yes or no?
Los un lugar. Yes.
Supermarket, garage, maybe hospitals, all of them are places. Okay, don't forget. And now, look at, in this side, please, in the left, we have some words that you have to join. Do you know what is join or match? Join or match? What is join or match in Spanish?
Unir con las líneas.
Exactly, very good. We are going to join or match the words in the left with the right. And then you are going to participate. Now, here we have the words. I have bus, department, gas, grocery, Here, night, police, subway. This is the first column. Now, in the other column, as you can see over here, we have club, salon, station, and store. As you know, we are going to complete this word bank, okay? We have bookstore, train station, health club, or nail salon. You are going to participate. Tell me, what do you think with the bus? What is the correct match with the bus? What do you think? Bus club, bus salon, bus station, or bus store? What do you think? What is the correct?
Nancy, un favor, ¿me puedo salir del celular y conectarme desde mi compu? ¿Me das acceso?
Of course, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Now, do you have the answer, yes or no? What is the correct match with bus? Could be bus club is correct or no? Diana, Cristina, Dani, Andrea. What is a club in Spanish? What do you think is a club?
Club.
Exactly, yeah. In Spanish, it's almost the same. What is...
Nightclub.
Okay, very good. I have one. Excellent. Very good, Andrea. We have the first one, nightclub. So over here, if you have the possibility, write nightclub. Now, another possibility. Tell me, which one is the other possibility? You have many options. Dani, Diana, Cristina. Another option, maybe do you have?
Polis con estación. Estación.
Excuse me?
Polis con estación.
Police station. Very good. Perfect. Good job. Excellent. Another option, maybe?
Hair salon.
Hair salon. Excellent. Perfect.
Here-
Okay. Another
Here,
option. Excuse me?
Here, dijo, ¿verdad? Here,
Hair
¿verdad?
salon. Another
Here,
one.
salon.
No more?
Salon.
What about department?
Station.
Police station. It's okay. Very good. Hair salon.
Nightclub.
Nightclub. Perfect. What about gas?
Station.
Exactly. Exactly. Excellent. Good job. Another option. One more. No more? What about grocery? Grocery? Maybe do you have the answer?
Tienda comestible. Ay,
Yeah,
perdón.
I know, but how is the
Store.
correct match?
Y,
Grocery club?
Store.
Grocery salon?
Store.
Grocery store. Very good. Excellent. Okay, now, thanks for your participation, guys. It's very important when you participate because you can learn more, okay? Look at, in this word bank, we already have some words that you participate right now. And at this moment, we are going to check how to use them and maybe examples in the position where you are going to have, okay? Look at, this part is the first one. And in the other hand, excuse me, let me cut this part. And let me show you this part, okay? How is going to use this vocabulary with the prepositions of place, okay? Let me show you the prepositions and maybe you are going to remember because you learn, I don't know, maybe in your high school, maybe your school, or let's going to learn together, okay? What is a preposition of place in Spanish? Here you have the meaning in Spanish, as you can see over here. And now we are going to check, okay, how to use them and how to pronounce, okay? Look at, here we have the number one. Who wants to tell me what is this? I have the first word, the first preposition.
Atrás.
Yeah, in Spanish, perfect. What is in English? How do you pronounce? What is this? The position.
Behind.
Beg.
Excellent. Behind. Very good. For example, I have over here a small notebook and the position about this, it's behind the teacher, behind me. Okay, this is the position. Now, sorry, I have another one. This is, look at, what is this one? Could you read for me, please? What is this?
In front of.
Very good. In front of, you have the meaning in Spanish over there, but the most important over here is English, okay? In front of. What is in front of? Look at the position of my notebook. My notebook is in front of me, in front of the teacher. Or maybe the notebook is in front the cell phone, in front of the cell phone. Don't forget, okay? Now, let's see. Another student who wants to read this part. How is this?
Next to. Next to.
Excellent, Danny. Next to. Here you have the meaning in Spanish, next to, okay? And I am going to use my notebook and my cell phone. So the notebook is next to the cell phone, okay? The notebook is next to the cell phone. Now, let's continue. What is the other one? What is this?
Below.
Who can read? Below, perfect. You have the meaning in Spanish over there, but remember, the most important is to use in English, correct pronunciation. Below. What is below? Here we have my cell phone and you have my notebook. So the notebook is below my cell phone. Okay, look at the position in front of the screen. Now, another position. Look at what is this one? Who can read?
On.
On, perfect. You have the meaning in Spanish over there. So let's use the correct position with real examples. My notebook is on my cell phone, okay? My notebook is on my cell phone. Don't forget, okay? Let's continue. Next part. Who wants to read the next one? What is this?
Between.
Excellent. Between. Very good. Between is, as you can see, sorry, it's, excuse me, give me 1 second, please. What do you need? Okay. See you. Goodbye. Okay. So between is, as you can see, the meaning you have over there. I have my notebook, I have my cell phone, and I am going to use an extra, look at, an extra object. This is a dictionary. Dictionary, notebook, cell phone. Now, where is located my notebook? Look at, my notebook is located between the dictionary and the cell phone, okay? You can see the real examples. Let's continue. Next, what is this one? Look at, guys. Could you read for me? What is this?
Near.
Near, very good. Correct pronunciation. Near. There you have the pronunciation. And now, look at near. I am going to use my notebook. My notebook it's not this one. Next to it, very close. But near is like this position. Look at. So my notebook is near the cell phone. Okay? Now, next part. I have the other one. Above. What is this above? Here you have the pronunciation and also the meaning in Spanish. You have above. The position. My notebook is above the cell phone. Remember my examples, guys, because you are going to participate, okay? Remember the examples. Finally, here we have something very important, and this is, what is the last one?
In.
In, very good. And now we are going to use something like a box, like something is inside, but the position is like this one. Look at, I have this one, this object, and my notebook is in the box. Let's suppose it is a box, okay? My
Yes.
notebook is in the box. Okay, guys? So now let's going to practice, okay? It's your turn. You are going to participate with the places that we learn. Examples. Let me go back to this one. Give me 1 second. There we go. I am going to use these places, okay, look at, using with the prepositions. You can use behind, between, next to, in front of, across of is another one, or maybe above, or maybe below, according to your information. Let's think about your job, okay, your job. What is job in Spanish?
Trabajo.
Exactly. Let's think about your job. Obviously, your job maybe it's close to, next to a gas station, or maybe my job, okay, it's close to, or is next to, or is between the grocery store and the supermarket, okay? You guys are going to give me, maybe two students are going to participate. Could you help me, please? You have 1 minute to prepare one example using the word bank, okay, and also the prepositions of time. I am going to give you my example again. For example, my job is next to a grocery store. My job is next to a grocery store. Teacher, I want to participate. My job is between a nightclub and a grocery store. Let's suppose, okay? Don't forget that and prepare 1 minute. Let's do it. You can participate. You can get extra points. Did you finish?
Yes.
Do you want to participate, Maria Fernanda?
Yes.
Yes, of course, Nancy.
Yes,
Thank
of
you.
course.
Okay, very good. Go ahead, Maria Fernanda.
My job is near Quicentro Shopping, Carolina Park, and Estadio Olímpico Atahualpa.
Okay, so you have many places around your job.
Yes.
Okay, very good. It's a really good example. Perfect. You have your extra point. Let me write your extra point. You have tonight 2 extra points. Maria Fernanda, where are you? There we go. 2. Perfect. Now, another student who wants to participate.
I.
Me, Andrea, please remember, me, teacher, I want to participate, or me, teacher, okay, 2 options. Okay, Andrea, tell me, what is your example?
Okay, me.
Exactly, perfect.
My house is near the bus station Real Audiencia, Cyber Station de Real.
Okay, very good. Bus station, okay? Bus station is the correct pronunciation because bus is Spanish, but
Bus station.
bus is the pronunciation in English. Very good, Andrea. You have your extra point. Let me write your extra point. Where is my screen? Give me 1 second.
Bus
Uh-oh.
station and bus station.
Aha, yes, 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 you are right. Let's continue. Perfect. You have your extra point. Maybe, is there another volunteer, another participant?
Millie, teacher.
Me, teacher. Very good. Excellent, Diana. Go ahead. You can give me your example.
My job in front of a store.
Okay, my job is in front of what kind of store? Grocery store could be?
No, store, tienda.
Just a store.
Ajá, una tienda de barrio.
Okay, yeah, no problem. Very good. It's okay. Perfect. Now, Diana, let me give you your extra point. I don't know what happened over here. Let me see. Okay. Where is
Teacher,
my...
one question.
Yes,
Está bien,
tell
sí,
me.
bueno. Cuando usted estaba hablando, dijo una palabra that. ¿Cuándo debemos poner esa palabra that?
Give me 1 minute. 1 second, okay? Just Miss... Who was? Miss Moscoso? You participate or Miss Lopez?
López, teacher.
Diana, Christian?
Sí,
I'm sorry,
Diana López.
Diana Marisol. Yeah, here
Sí.
we go. Let me write.
Yes,
One extra point. Thank you. I'm sorry. Okay, so the question was, I'm sorry, could you repeat? Could you tell me again your question?
La pregunta que le hice.
Yes.
Ajá. Cuando estaba diciéndonos las preposition, en una parte dijo una preposition y la palabra that. Entonces yo quería saber en qué parte hay que poner esa palabra that.
Well, this that is kind of word that you can use when you are explaining something, okay? Explaining something. What is that in Spanish? Do you know what is that? Okay,
Estoy
that in
bien.
Spanish is que, okay, when you are explaining something according to any different topics, okay? So maybe you can use different examples, and this that is to explain something when you are using this part, okay? Depends on the context, okay? Andrea, did you understand? Yes or no? Because that in Spanish is que. That in Spanish is que. Okay, this is the
Okay.
real meaning in Spanish or translation in Spanish. Okay, do you remember my example? Maybe I can explain it in a better way. When I say my example, yes or no?
Yes.
So, what was my example? Could you repeat my example or nope?
Ya me confundí, perdón.
Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Relax, take notes. And if you remember my example, let me know. I am going to explain you again. Okay? So let's continue. Thank you. If you have the example, let me explain you again for you, Andrea. Okay, no problem. Let's continue. Now, look at guys. Over here, we have, excuse me, give me a second. Here we have the prepositions of place as you saw in the slide over here. Look at in this part. You have at, on, in. We are going to use these three prepositions in different forms. So please pay attention one by one. The first one, it has, look at, one meaning with when you are using at. Look at, you have use at plus building. Do you know what is building in Spanish? What is
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
what is
teacher.
this?
Construir, construcción.
No, what is building is
No,
another one. When you have like a
edificio.
construction, but it is very tall. Excuse me, you have the answer.
Edificio.
Exactly, very good. For example, as you can see over here, at the mall, at home, okay, you have many options when you have a building. At, remember, buildings. When we are going to use on, when you have maybe a floor over there, okay, on the top floor, okay, look at the end of this one. Next, in the other part, we have in when we need a room. Remember when I told you we use in when you have something like a box, okay, caja box, and then you are using, look at, something inside. This is the same when you are using this preposition in plus a room. In my office, in the kitchen, in my room, something like that, okay? Another use of the prepositions when you have another at plus address. Do you know what is address? In Spanish, do you know what is address?
Dirección.
Dirección.
Very good, exactly. And a specific address you can use at, as you can see over here, 100 Smith Street, or maybe at Ajavi Avenue, okay, or maybe at Shiris Avenue, okay. Remember, this is a specific address. And on the other hand, we have over here on plus street. Why on street? Because it's what is, do you remember what is on? Do you remember what is on?
En.
No, on.
Como encima,
On.
como sobre.
Very good, perfect. For example, as I told you, there are many different examples, okay? I am using objects, but you can use real objects in the life, you know? So look at, my notebook is on my cell phone. But maybe look at in address, you can use something like this. on Smith address, on 6 de diciembre street, okay? Or 6 de diciembre avenue, okay? Look at, this is a specific when you have address and street. And in the other one, remember, you have to memorize. We don't have options, just memorize. At building, on floor, in room, at address, on a street. Okay? So, according to this explanation, you already know the meaning in Spanish too. You and I, we are going to complete this part about like an email that you have over here, and you are going to complete this part with me, okay? You need to use these places, look at the vocabulary, and you are going to use also the prepositions of time. Let's go into read. Who wants to participate and read the first part? Who wants to participate? One student. Just the first part, from hi until about.
Me, teacher.
Okay, Maria Fernanda, go ahead.
Hi, Amy. Welcome to the university. As a new student, we know you are not familiar with the neighborhood around campus. Here are some important places to know about.
Very good. Do you have any word that maybe you don't know? Maybe new vocabulary? Do you have new vocabulary over here? Yes?
Yes, teacher. No, teacher.
No new,
Only the vocabulary.
new words? Maybe Danny,
No.
Diana, Christina, new words? George? No new words? Okay, everything is clear, I think. Okay, now, I'm sorry. We are going to read the next part, but please let me know, as the instruction said, according to the places. Let me know. You are going to participate. Instead of underlined, you are going to participate and say, teacher, the first place is, I don't know, maybe gas station. Teacher is, maybe, I don't know, nightclub, okay? In the next part, okay? Let me know who has one place about this email. Who has one place? Did you find one place? Just one. Instead of underlined, you are going to participate in oral form. Let me know. Did you find one place in this part? Can you tell me what is the first place? In this place, in this email, in this paragraph? Did you find one place? Yes or no? You didn't find? Remember, we have many of this vocabulary over here. We have another over there. And here you have, we are applying these places in this email. One, let me give you one. Bookstore. What is a bookstore? Do you know what is a bookstore?
Librería.
Okay, very good. Excellent. Very good. This is one place. Is this a place or no? Yes
Yes,
or no?
teacher.
Yes, of course. Very good. So here maybe could be a building. Let's continue. What is another place? Here we have another one. What is
The
the
bus
second?
stop.
Bus stop. Excellent. Next place. What is this?
The theater. No.
Theater
The
could be
library.
very good.
The
Excuse me?
library.
Library, very good. Next,
Library.
The bank.
the bank.
Mhm.
Finally,
The
Subway.
subway
The
station.
subway.
subway station. Very good. Now, according to these places, we are going to find up the map on the previous page, okay? Use the words in the box to complete the email. These words you are going to complete. But this one, excuse me, give me, oops, sorry. Yep, I'm sorry. In this part, you are going to use the previous page that you have over there. For example, number one, The bookstore is on J Street. And then you have to complete, obviously, with these words. You can use at, on, in. It's the same in the other option, in the number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Please, guys, you have to use and recognize. Teacher, is this a building? Yes or no? So let's use at. Teacher, I think is it a floor? Maybe you can use on. You have to recognize these places and you can use one by one. Let's try the number 1, okay? So the bookstore is on J
The
Street,
street.
and then you have First Avenue and Second Avenue. What happened over here? What do you need? You can use at, on, in, behind, between, next to, in front, and all of the prepositions of time that I already showed you. What is the correct answer over here? What do you think?
Add between.
Excuse me?
Add between.
Between. Excellent. Good job. Very good. Very good. Number 2. Let's see. The bus stop. Let's imagine the bus stop. Okay. Someone of you told me, teacher, the bus stop. My job is next to the bus stop. Perfect. Now, let's imagine the bus stop where is located. Okay. What is the correct part? The bus stop is at, on, in, behind, between, next to, in front. You have the other option, the bridge theater. What do you think is the correct preposition?
Mhm.
Remember,
Teacher, I think so. In front of, maybe.
could be, but we don't have the real picture. We don't have the real picture. So we can use another option. Remember, buildings, floor, room, address, and street. The Bridge Theater is a building. So what is the correct preposition?
You don't understand.
Remember, building, floor, room. The Bridge Theater is a building. What is the correct preposition?
At.
Perfect. Excellent. At. Why, teacher? I told you. In this part, in this chart, you have the explanation. When you have a building, you need at. At the mall, at home, at the Bridge Theater. Let's continue. Next part. The library is, what do you think?
Next to,
Could be, there is no problem. Another option
in front,
could be in from too, very good. Another option according to this part.
Behind.
Okay, remember, when I show you my box, look at, okay, or maybe when you have the prepositions that you have this position in front. You have many options over here, okay, because it's very big, okay, this part. You are right, it's okay, perfect. Let's continue. Number 4, the bank is, what do you think? The bank is. What do you think is
Near.
the correct? Could be near.
Near.
Another option? More options? You have more options.
Next to.
Very good. Perfect. Could be. And more options because it's very different and you have more over here. Finally, we have the subway station. Where is the subway station? No? What do you think? Imagine where is located.
Metrobús. Estación de metro.
Yeah, very good. But where is located? Where is located? In, at, on, between, behind.
Below.
Okay, exactly, because maybe it's under Carl's Cafe. Okay, very good. So you have to practice this one. You have the options. And now let me show you the next part. I hope that you can practice the next one. This is another message. This is number 1 and this is number 2. And you can use, obviously, the hair salon and the library on the map. Where is the map? Excuse me. Uh, you have in the book one map and then you are going to find these places, okay? Don't forget that. Can I change the page? Do you have any question about this? Yes or no? You have to practice at home, check information about the prepositions, how to use the prepositions. Remember that the other class, one student told me, teacher, can we prepare something for the next class? Yes, I told you prepare prepositions of please. Okay, guys, let's continue. Next, I want to share with you some tips when you are reading, because you are going to have in the activities many readings, and then you are going to check new vocabulary, maybe new information, and also you have to answer different questions about this. Okay, now in this party we have the first tip. This is the first one. Always check new words and translate into Spanish if you prefer. Okay? Teacher, no, I understand. I don't have any problem. So don't worry. I don't want to translate. No problem. You don't translate. But if you don't understand, try to use it, guys. It's very important to use your dictionaries. Teacher, but I use my cell phone. I use the computer. Perfect. It's very fast. Instead of use dictionaries, okay, the normal dictionaries, you can use your cell phones, your computers, and just text. Next part. Scan the document before reading in order to know what it's talking about. What is a scan? Do you know what is a scan in Spanish, guys?
Escanear.
Very good, perfect. A scan. What is a scan? Like with your eyes, you are doing something like this and you say, ah, yeah, this is talking about. Maybe you can recognize or maybe you can remember some words. Maybe you can check a picture or maybe you can see some important information and you say, oh, this is really interesting or this is really boring, 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 boring. Yep. And then this is a second tip. Number 3. Take notes. What is take notes in Spanish? Do you know what is take notes?
Tomar nota.
Very good. About important information. For example, the most important information that maybe you are going to take notes, it's about places. You maybe can write about time, okay? Or maybe about people, important people that it's talking about the reading, okay? Don't forget, you can use also your normal notebooks or you can use your cell phones, maybe in your notes too, okay? And finally, before answer a question about the reading, check twice, okay? Twice. Dos veces, remember. Twice. Again, could be years, time in this case, places, or specific information. This reading, it's talking about something very interesting. Look at the picture over here, and this is in Santo Domingo. This is, sorry, the Santo Domingo Metro in the Dominican Republic, opened in 2009. And we can relate to this information with our country, maybe if you prefer. Okay, this is a tip about reading. Okay, do you have any question about these tips? Because you are going to have activities related to readings. Okay, remember, any question, because we don't have more time to have more extra explanation. Did you understand? Do you have any question about the reading tips? Nope. Let's continue. Now, look at, guys. As you know, we don't have enough time to explain more grammar, more vocabulary, or maybe more videos, but this is your turn. You are going to have the homework. Right now, you already have the homework, and then you have to do all the activities. How many activities? 29 activities, okay? They are assigned, okay? They are assigned, and you have to complete this homework until, let me show you, excuse me. I am gonna show you the screen about the homework. Let me stop over here and let me show you the homework. Give me 1 second. Here we go. Yeah, look at guys. This is assigned. Week number 3, unit number 7. You have please time until February 5th. Until February 5th. What do you have over here? Different activities related to reading, grammar, vocabulary. You have also, for example, listening to. You have videos. You have to record your voice if you need it. Something like this. Look at, listen and speak. We need the correct pronunciation. Practice before, okay? Don't forget, practice. This is one of these one. Another listening, maybe another listening, another one, and you have to complete it. When you finish, you continue. Continue and continue. So those are your activities, guys, that you are going to do in this week, okay? This is the first homework, the first activities that you have. If you have problems, don't forget, teacher, could you help me? Teacher, I don't understand. Something that you don't understand, don't worry. Let me know, please. If I don't answer, maybe in the morning, I can answer maybe in the afternoon until night, okay? Do you have any question about this? Did you understand? Questions, problems, or maybe another thing about the platform? No? So I have 4 minutes. I am gonna say something in Spanish just for 2 students, okay? Let me continue. En esta parte quería indicarles en español, tengo, no sé si la presencia de los 2 estudiantes que estaban faltantes con los códigos, creo que no tenemos a María Cristina Ortiz y Steve Morales, ¿sí? Como la clase queda grabada, por favor, a los 2 estudiantes ya están asignados los códigos, pueden ya ingresar y necesito que realicen el cambio de contraseña. He tenido que esperar los 2 códigos para poder ingresarles a todos y no tener pequeño desfase de las actividades y todos puedan iniciar a la par y no haya este contratiempo que hubo en grupos anteriores. Sin embargo, esta semana ya están las actividades para todos, todos están asignados. Empezamos desde el día de hoy, de hecho ya se activó a las 8 en punto y terminamos, por favor. Tienen ustedes hasta el próximo martes plazo máximo de terminar. Por A o B, trabajo, familia, alguna actividad extra, está activado hasta el 5 de febrero. Tomando en cuenta que la próxima clase nos vemos y ya se activa la segunda clase, que sería la unidad número 8. Y así se va acumulando. La idea no es que se acumule, sino que usted trabaje y termine a tiempo sus actividades. Y antes de que se termine, no puede ser 1 hora, un día o 2 días antes que me diga, ¿sabe qué? Recién voy a hacer y tengo este problema. No le puedo ayudar en ese momento porque a veces necesito yo comunicarme con soporte técnico de la plataforma, no es la misma que del instituto y ahí nos demoramos. Así que por favor, organicemos el tiempo, trabajemos poco a poco, algo que no comprendamos, que no entendemos, por favor. Ayúdenme enviando un mensajito para yo también poder guiarles en algo que usted no comprenda y algo que tal vez no pueda ingresar o algo que no se le active. En fin, cualquier duda, por favor, indíqueme, pero no espere 1 día, 2 días antes de que ya se cierre la plataforma. ¿Estamos de acuerdo? No deje acumular. Vuelvo y repito, el
Teacher,
próximo martes ya empezamos la otra unidad. Dani,
ti- una pregunta, yo la semana pasada no me conecté porque estaba viajando y ahorita
correcto.
que hice los códigos, usted solo me dijo que le pase mi nombre, pero ahorita está diciendo que dio unos códigos, pero no, desconozco para ingresar de los
Ya,
códigos.
listo. Dani, vamos a activar, por favor, entonces la plataforma de la siguiente manera. Le voy a enviar el link. Sí, por favor, permítame.
¿Ya?
Permítame salirme de aquí para poder enviarle el link correcto. Y en este link usted va a ingresar y va a colocar lo siguiente. Para todos fue lo mismo, así que no vaya a asustarse y vaya a decir que les estoy diciendo a todo el mundo su usuario y su clave por si acaso, ¿sí? Su usuario, por favor, es... permítame un ratito, se me cerró el do de aquí. Vamos a dashboard. Aquí estamos. Listo. Dani Manzano, déjeme indicarle mi pantalla. ¿Dónde estamos? Aquí, no. Acá. Ya. Listo, Dani. Su usuario, al igual que todos, sí, es su primer nombre y su primer apellido. Permítame indicarle personalmente. Aquí está. Dani
Ya.
con Y, punto Manzano es su usuario. ¿Sí?
Ya.
Tal
Sí.
cual. Y la clave de ingreso va a ser la palabrita que usted ve al lado derecho, student, ¿sí?
Sí.
Student.
Ya.
Y pero le
Ya.
agrega a este el 1, 2, 3. Student 1, 2, 3.
Sin
Por
espacio,
de-
seguido.
Correcto. Por defecto a todos les salió lo mismo y lo que usted tiene que hacer es el cambio de contraseña, Dani, por favor, porque eso le va a permitir tener su propia cuenta, ¿de acuerdo? Su
Ok.
propia plataforma.
Ok.
Por favor, permítame saber si pudo ingresar o no. ¿Alguna otra duda, por favor, acerca de la plataforma, tareas, explicación? No problem. Tengo por aquí una manito alzada, no sé de quién es. Creo que era de Dani mismo. Nope. Listo. Si no tenemos más dudas o si es que en el transcurso de la semana vemos que algo está complicado, no podemos ingresar, cualquier cosa, por favor, no deje hasta el último y permítame que le pueda ayudar con tiempo. Caso contrario, a veces yo también estoy ocupado, usted también, usted necesita, yo estoy ocupado, en fin. Es a veces un sinfín de razones, pero necesitamos terminar a tiempo, ¿sí? Las actividades ya están. Todas están en la plataforma. Recuerde que esta plataforma no es la misma de la del instituto. Esta es una plataforma muy aparte. Se llama National Geographic Learning, ¿ok? Como el National Geographic que solíamos ver en televisión antes y que ahora también pues está en las plataformas. Sin más que decirles, mis queridos estudiantes, si no hay alguna otra pregunta sobre la plataforma, el uso, el ingreso, en fin, damos por culminada la clase del día de hoy y les agradezco por su presencia. So thank you so much. Take care and see you next class. Bye bye.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye,
Bye,
Dani.
teacher.
Bye,
Goodbye.
teacher.
You
Bye,
take
chicos.
care. Bye bye.